too many items in your course navigation isn't just confusing for your students. It can also open up items that you don't want your students to see, or things that your students shouldn't have access to due to FERPA regulations. Thankfully, cleaning up your course navigation is simple and easy. To clean up your course navigation, click on Settings, then click on the Navigation tab at the top of the page. The item boxes here are click and drag, making this process even easier. To start, drag all the items you'd like to keep in your course to the top. The order you place them in here is the order they will appear in your navigation. Then scroll down until you see the split from Show Items to Hidden Items. Drag the items you don't want in your navigation to the bottom section. If your course has been merged, you must hide Chat, Collaborations, and Big Blue Button. When you're done, scroll to the bottom and click Save. All done! Now students will only have access to exactly what they need in your course. Happy building, everyone!